I don't even know what the hell I'm showing here. This is how you make a light bulb glow in the microwave.
Alright.
Through divergence.
Lights off, brother. Brother, the other light.
Set it to 30.
Oh no, wait, put that light back on. Put that light back on. You can't see it. You can't see it.
I'm scared.
Okay.
Are you sure we're not gonna see it?
Oh, 33 is good too. Alright. Turn the light off.
No, wait, no, I can't see. I can't see. It's good, it's good. Turn it off once it gets really loud, once it explodes.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh.
Woo! Whoa!
Do it again!
Ta-da!
I wouldn't touch that.
No, you're really like now.
Don't drop it.
Woo, it's hot.
Oh my gosh.
Does it still work?
Drop it.
Don't drop it.
Okay.
Dude, that must be the gas that's inside it. No, what it is you're giving it.
Okay. Now we're going to microwave a TV.
Okay, now this I've never done.
Yeah, who left? Someone left.
Okay.
Can you put the bulb back in after?
We'll see.
Actually, no, the better one is fluorescent bulbs with a radar.
They put a light.
Yeah, you sweep like a high-powered radar across that.
Okay, ready? CD. You have to get close. Wah!
And,
That's cool. Ta-da!